The difference between the preteritum and the perfect is a rather formal one. The good news is preteritum and perfect do not differ in meaning. So there is no difference in these two examples here. Ich habe Gitarre gespielt or ich spielte Gitarre. They are both in the same past. The difference is only in how we use these two. And we use the preteritum for novels, like for literature or formal letters possibly, something where there is no direct communication. So I call that the written past. While the perfect we use whenever we talk to people. But don't get fooled. Talking, I also mean email, writing short messages. Yeah? Or addressing someone personally, or in a book that you read. In literature, you have quotes and there's people actually speaking. Yeah, we report how people speak, direct speech. So in that case, you use the perfect tense. So you can have two tenses in one sentence if you like. Er sagte, ich habe heute schon zu viel gegessen. He said, quote, I have already eaten too much today. So you see, the er sagte is preteritum, while the text in quotes, directly spoken, is in the perfect tense. And this is the only difference between preteritum and perfect. And why we rarely write stories and novels, at least in the beginning, we focus on the perfect tense. And that's what you should do. That's all you need to know about the difference. Thank you.